Today's test drive is going to be a 1972 Chevelle. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're buying before you get here. This one here's got a 350 under the hood. Power steering. Pretty clean. This one is a 4-speed car. Looks like we got front disc brakes. Got drum brakes in the rear. Dual exhaust out the back. I'm also going to be doing a walk around video pointing out any kind of chips, scratches, or flaws on this car. I want you to check it out as well. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for daily content. We're always posting cars up here at Maple Motors, and if you go to our main website, I can get you financed. I can get this thing shipped to your front door. There's about 100 detailed pictures, and if you like the music, join Southgate Production. That's me and my band. So. Okay, guys. Shut the hood down here. We're gonna put the pins back in the hood. It does lock without the pins. It's locked right now. Just a safety precaution. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check out the interior before we leave the lot here. Dash is nice and clean. Seat looks good. Got the tube off for the shifter. Back seat's in good shape. Package tray looks clean. Headliner's not too bad. Over here in the corner though, a little bit of sagging, nothing major. We're gonna go ahead and place bets. You think that horn works? Let's go ahead and start her up. Tach coming up on the dash. Showing 51,000 miles. It's hard to stand behind that. It's a 72 model. Clock. Don't believe it's gonna work, even though it budged for a second there. Temp gauge is coming up and working. Gas gauge looks like it's working, about 3/4 of a tank. Blower motor. Feel it blowing. Actually on my legs and the dash, I hear it. Radio. Working. Wipers working. Horn. Hear that? It's clicking and it's buzzing under the hood. Something's wrong with the horn, but it is trying to work. But I guess that's considered a non-working hood. I mean horn. And I noticed the e-brake is all the way to the floor. It's probably just pinned down there. It's not working as well. Okay, let's hit the road and see how she drives. Seat's nice and comfortable in this one. It squishes down quite a bit. Feels pretty good. Let's get this mat out of our way. So check this shifter out, see where the clutch lets out. And anything that I see, I will let you know. We'll try reverse first. Clutch is letting out about halfway. Coming out with it. Woo! Brakes are touchy. We'll heat them up and try them out again. Open road here. This mat is all in the way. Speedometer's coming up. Seems to be correct. Car is slightly pulling to the left. Let's try again. Yeah, it's slightly pulling to the left on me. All the gears are there. Feel good. Steering. As soon as I turn, it turns. I've had some really tight steering here lately on these cars. Brakes are touchy. They're stopping fast, that's for sure. Getting better too as we use them. both turn signals are popping up on the dash. So he's got some long gears, that's first. Running 30 in first. Should be good up on the highway. Do not believe we need gas. It's over a half a tank on the dash. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, get some outside shots, light the undercarriage up, do a walk around video, point out any flaws. I want you to watch it too. I'll tag it to the end of this one so that you can easily find it. But yeah, if you look below in the description, you can see all the equipment that I use to make these videos. Suspension on this one's not bad. This is a rough parking lot here. Okay, pulling up here, we're gonna go ahead and get these shots. Let's get them. Okay, got y'all set up here in the driver's seat. All right, so far so good. Engine temperature's right at 200. Did the walk around video. I want you to check it out. That'll be located the last 30 seconds of this one, or just type in the year, model, and Maple Motors in YouTube's search bar. That way you can find any of our videos. manually turn off the turn signals. This car is very easy to shift. And guys, if you have any suggestions, leave them below in the comments. I'll check it out. I'm always open to ideas to improve the film here. Right. Okay, we're right around the corner from the lot. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell and it'll let you know anytime I post any of these cars. We're pulling back in here. I do appreciate you riding with me. And thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like the music, join us at Southgate Production. And also check out that walk around video pointing out all the flaws on this car. I want to go ahead and thank you for watching this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. You can also check out more of our videos here. We've got about 2,000 here on YouTube. Okay guys.